Hey guys, it's Wild Slimes, and today I'm going to be showing you all the slimes that I'm restocking today at 5 p.m. EST. So if you didn't know, this is my second restock in my rebrand, and it's probably going to be my second to last restock ever. So again, if you would like to purchase any of these slimes, they will be in my Etsy shop at 5 p.m. EST. So this first slime is called Captain Crunch Cake, and it's a DIY clay kit that turns into a really crunchy snow fizz. So you get to mix in a snow fizz with a foam and some clay, and I'll show you how to assemble it at the end of this little video. You get to sculpt it yourself, and I think it just looks really cute, and it's just so crunchy, and I love the texture. Snow fizzes are definitely my favorite, and this slime is also scented like Captain Crunch and cake. So it comes with the packed snow fizz, and then it comes with a little foam with rainbow sprinkles and all these like foam chunks, and then it also comes with this clay. So I separated the snow fizz into two sections and flattened them out, and then I put the foam in the middle and then the second layer on top, and then I put the foam on one side of it just so you can see the layers, and then I put the clay on top. So the next slime is called Rainbow Sorbet, and it's a float slime with rainbow cloud slime. And the cloud slime looks just like two little scoops of sorbet floating in some clear slime, and the clear slime has rainbow sprinkles and little fruit Fimo slices. And when you mix it together, it just feels like the perfect sorbet texture. It feels just like you're playing with if sorbet was slime, and I just love this so much. It's so sizzly, and it's so inflating. It's just a really great slime. So the resulting texture ends up feeling kind of like a dry icy slime, but not really, and it's also scented like Captain Crunch with some little hints of like fruity sorbet. So this last new slime is called Rainbow Cake Ice Cream, and it's the second version of my ice cream series. So the last one was cookie dough ice cream, and this one's like the same texture, just a little bit softer, and unfortunately I couldn't get a mixing video of it because I filmed it for Instagram, but it basically just has a rainbow swirl in it, and it's scented just like ice cream. So the last two slimes are returning slimes from my last restock, which was 2 weeks ago, and I'm not going to give them too much of an explanation. If you would like to see what they're like, just check out my last restock video. But this one is Pina Colada Italian Ice, and it feels just like a classic sizzly icy texture. It comes two-toned with sprinkles, and it's scented like Italian ice, and this time I will also have a 4-ounce size of this. I would also like to mention that all the slimes will be anywhere from $6 to $10, so that's really cheap, and shipping is a little bit less expensive. So I really hope you guys can purchase, and there will also only be 2 or 3 of each slime. So the last slime is also a returning slime, and it's called Rainbow Oreo. So it's like Rainbow Oreo, but Oreo, whoa. And it's a DIY clay cloud cream slime, and it comes with this Rainbow Oreo. That was confusing, but anyway, it comes with that little Oreo, and then you get to mix it in, and it turns into a buttercream slime, and I just love it so, so much. This one sold out within minutes of my last restock, so if you want the slime, you better be fast. So, per usual, I have the deals up on my Instagram, but probably the best two deals are my buy three, get one free deal. So, if you buy three slimes, you will get a free 8 ounce. There is no code needed for that one. You just buy the slimes, and I will put one in. And then the other one is 15% off the first 15 minutes with code FIRST15. So that's code capital F, capital I, capital R, capital S, capital T, and then 15. And those are the two biggest deals I will be having. It would really mean the world, no, the universe, if you guys bought from my slime shop, this restock. I put so much effort into this rebrand and the restock, and this is one of my last restocks ever. So, definitely go purchase if you can. If you can't purchase, even just checking out the shop or following me on Instagram helps a lot, or just subscribing here and liking the video. But yeah, I will see you in the shop and in the next video. Bye! Warning, if you have the phobia of perfection, please call a doctor to ask if these products are right for you. These slimes may be too perfect and cause amazement.